Welcome and let's talk about Terra Classic. Yes, Bitforex exchange are doing it for Terra Classic. Bitforex are really supporting Terra Classic. Now, according to statistics, Binance are controlling 34% of Terra Classic, but Bitforex are now controlling 31.28% of Terra Classic. They are the second after Binance, and they are even almost getting close to Binance. Binance is 34 and they are 31%. The thought that is closer to them is just 4%. You can see that Terra Classic volume has been trading at a massive increase on Binance and on Bitforex. Wow, Bitforex, the name is not that really popular. I know a lot of people might believe that, might be thinking maybe other top crypto exchanges like Crypto.com, Kucoin, they expected this to dominate the volume, but you can see Bitforex coming in the past 24 hours to say, look, we need this coin. The community that really trading. That's why the volume today have really hit a massive increase in price, hitting almost that of Binance. Binance and the number one that have been showing great support for Terra Classic, and you can see that the Kucoin has also been supporting this coin massively. But today, I'm telling you, Bitforex have woken up to say, look, we are going to support Terra Classic. They believe on Terra Classic, just like the way Binance and Binance founders they believe on this coin. The same way me myself, I believe on Terra Classic, and I believe that if the developers can keep working, can keep pushing to achieve what they are working towards, to achieve their roadmap and a lot of projects they've listed they want to achieve, if that can be accomplished, I'm telling you, Terra Classic is going to hit about $1 very soon. That is the truth, because we all believe that Terra Classic very soon might hitting 1 cent. 1 cent has been the prediction even before the introduction of the 1.2% tax bond. Now, after the launch, and I believe next year, 2023, is going to be a good year, a bullish year for crypto industry in general, including BTC, which is going to control in 2023. And let's hope all this comes to pass, because if Bitcoin keep increasing, definitely every other coin will keep increasing. But if BTC start going down more, I think we are going to experience more bearish in 2023. But today, BTC have actually hit from 16,000 back to 17,000. Let's see if Bitcoin might finally break that 20,000 mark, and I believe that is going to start. That's going to be marked at the beginning of recovery for crypto industry. But please remember that this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.